Please let me like this. Please let me like this. I don't think I'm gonna like it. Please let me like it. Please let me like it. All right, so I'm ready to unbox this. I just got my newest fragrance in the mail. It is a Xerjoff. I got Torino 23. I actually was watching a video from Fragrance Knowledge where he was talking about how he prefers 23 over 21. And as you know, I'm not a big 21 fan, so I thought, you know what? Well, let's give it a shot then. I'm always looking for a good summer fragrance that will work in the heat because they're hard to get. I will say I'm not anticipating liking this though because, again, if you follow me, you know I'm not a fan of white florals. So here we go though. This is how Xerjoffs look when you get them. Nice presentation, feels really good, and slides up like so. Fragrance sits in there. Again, I really like this presentation. Look at that bottle. Come on. That bottle is spectacular. Oh. But, oh, it doesn't really fit in there very well. Oh well. Who cares? Don't need that. This is what we need. We need Torino 23. So, without further ado, if I can get the lid off. There we go. Without further ado, oh, I need to line up the line. Third time's the charm. Without further ado, let us hope. Please let me like this. Please let me like this. I don't think I'm gonna like it. Please let me like it. Please let me like it. All right, it's starting to grow me a little bit. Fourth smell. It is definitely a white floral fragrance, has a little bit of a powder note to it, a little bit of summer vibes. I could see the heat enhancing this scent. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I still feel that 21's better. Oh, we'll have to see. We'll have to see what it's like wearing it. We'll have to see what's like performance, projection, sillage, what the heat does to it. For those who don't know, summer fragrances, a lot of the time, the heat will change the scent. And again, this is similar. It's a little soapy. So it's similar to Aqua Celestia from MFK or John Riveto's Artisan Pure. Two fragrances I really like, but the white florals are too heavy in it. I don't know. We'll see. I'm not going to say I won't wear this because I know I will wear it. I could see this being a great high heat fragrance and I will overlook the white florals in it and just know that, hey, I smell good. I smell fresh. I smell clean. The powder will help enhance it. See, 22. The second I smelled 22, I was in love. I'm like, this is incredible. I wish I bought it. I had a chance to buy it on a website for about $138. Crazy price for that fragrance. It was sold out by the time I went there. Gone. Hasn't popped back up. I'm always looking for 22 because I think 22 is one of the best fragrances on the market. 21, for those who don't know, it is a nice, fresh aquatic with like a hint of green in it. 23 by far is just a soapy white floral fragrance. And again, this is all first impressions. I've never smelled this before. I don't know anything about this fragrance, whether I even will like it or anything. I'm just telling you what it smells like at the very opening. First impressions are first impressions. I may come back like, this is not white soapy. This is blah, blah, blah. Who knows? I'm just telling you right now, white florals. Yeah, so if you like white florals, if you like powdery, fresh, soapy fragrances, I can see why people would like Torino 23. I personally do not like white florals, so it is starting to grow a little bit on me. We'll see. Maybe the depth, I don't know. I hate first impressions, be like, hate it, and just like throw in a bottle. But we'll see. I will definitely do a follow-up on this. I'll try and do a comparison between Torino 21 and 23. Comment down below if you want to see that, if you want to see the comparison. And as always, thank you so much. Comment, have you seen this? Have you smelled it? What are your thoughts? And thank you so much for following the channel. Appreciate all the support. This channel has been exploding because of every bit of support that you all are showing me. So thank you so much. Love doing this. So that's unboxing. First impression, Torino 23. We'll see if it grows on me. I don't know. Hopefully. But I still think this bottle design, come on. That is a killer design. Can't wait to put that on the shelf. So, Nubs Fragrance. Talk to you soon.